Welcome to Marvelous Designer Tutorial Series. In this tutorial, we'll create pants with different fit styles, and I'm going to use those pants to make athletic pants with elastic bands. You will learn how to fit the pants pattern to avatars of different sizes. For those using 9.5 and up, we have grouped more tools for a cleaner user interface. Please, long press the left mouse button on the tool to view a list of all the tools in the tool group. Load an avatar from the library window. As a way to make a pattern, let's make it using a pattern image. Load the pattern image using the Add Background Image menu. Pattern images can be downloaded by clicking the link in the video description. While the pop-up window is open, you can change the image's position, size, rotation, and transparency. Adjust the scale to fit the pattern to the avatar's shadow. The polygon tool creates a pattern along the lines of the background image. Right-click on the front panel and select Symmetric Pattern with Sewing. Duplicated back pattern as Symmetric Pattern 2. You would not need a background image, so open the Add Background Image pop-up and reset to delete the image. We will adjust the pattern size by referring to the avatar and pattern in the 3D window. Rise length of pants is shorter than avatar. With reference to the shadow of the avatar, use the Edit Pattern tool to select the front and rear rise endpoints together and move them down. After selecting the entire pattern with the Transform Pattern tool, widen the width. Arrange the pattern. Sewing of pants can be a bit confusing, so it is more convenient to sew in 3D. Sew the pants from the sideline. Then sew the internal line of the pants. The rise lines overlap each other, so they are sewn in the 2D window. After selecting the entire pattern, apply Strengthen, since the pants could be too soft to edit. Simulate. Overall, it seems to be large, so I'll reduce it. I'm going to lower it a little because it seems to have a high waist. I'm going to put the whole pants on top. With the simulation off, use Gizmo's up and down arrows to move the garment to up. The front and rear center lines are protruding outward. This happens because there is a lot of spare in the center. We will fix the center lines of the pattern so that it fits well to the avatar. In the 2D window, click and drag the center line with the Edit Pattern tool to move inside the pattern. At this time, if you press the Control key and move, you can move in the direction of the slope of the existing segment. If the pattern is moved more than 30 millimeters from the center, the garment may be biased to one side. If you need to reduce more than the current reduced amount, reduce it on the opposite sideline. Click and drag the endpoint of the sideline with the Edit Curve Point tool. At this time, press the D key on the keyboard to fix the other curved points and move only the selected straight point. The curve point at the hip position needs to be kept as much as possible, so it moves a little. Simulate to check the silhouette. Looking at the center of the back, it has a V shape downward. Hold the rear center point with the Edit Pattern tool and lift it up slightly. Check the silhouette by simulating. Check the status of the avatar's wearing with a transparent surface. Unstrengthen the entire pattern and save it as base pants. If you liked this video, hit the like button below and subscribe for more. If you have any questions about getting started in Marvelous Designer or this lesson, please leave a comment below, and we will do our best to answer your question. If you want more information on and where to get Marvelous Designer, check out our website, forum, and official Discord channel in the link below.